snowstorm coming, we decided to come to the thrift store. Let's go. I thought this was cute. Don't need it. That is cute. I definitely dress like a grandma. Because this is cute. Found this 100% wool skirt. Unfortunately, the dress section kind of hit. Ooh. Obviously, it's like also really dead in here. There's not a lot of competition. This is what I found. I feel like it's pretty good stuff for it being a day that I wasn't really even thinking of going to the thrift store. But I have to try it all on because I don't know how it's going to fit. So. Wait, come back. No. You're not getting those. She's trying to get some kid glasses. They're for children. Okay. Oops. The dawn in winter air and zombies only minding.